Hi lovely people. So today I'm super excited. My second clothing box has come in, and this one is from Thread Up. So I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and I expected this box to be absolutely humongous, but look, it's not like one of those, it's not too bad. So we shall see what we have in here. This is a goodie box. And I also requested from them, which came separate in its own envelope, was a clear out bag. So I have a bunch of things. I have cleaned out my closet, so I'm going to send them and see if I get anything for any of my items. Here is the invoice with the prices. Let's see, I can do it without giving my information. So, not too bad. There's only 10 items in here. So, and it comes very nicely packaged. It says ceiling deal since 2009. So let's see, plan to just go through this, and this will be, let's see what's in this envelope here. Just a little letter about Thread Up, and then this is a cute, like, inspirational cards, which you can tear apart. So those are really cute. That comes in that bag. And I did leave, so Thread Up, the goodie boxes right now are $10 a box, and I saw that they have different selections, so I think this is a just for you, and you go ahead and fill out a style profile, and they have a stylist look at that and then pick out your items. And Thread Up, everything, it's an online, basically, thrift store, so it's secondhand items, but brand name things, and they're supposed to only take very good quality, even items new with tags. So this cost me $10, and if I buy anything from this box, that $10 will be credited towards my purchase, which I think is cool. And they do have other boxes I saw for goodie boxes. Like they have the Just For You, they have like a athleisure wear, which is what I kind of am interested in trying next, I think. Then they have like a night out one, they have a 9 to 5, they have like a beach one. So if I like this, I think I'm going to try some more of those boxes. So this is Ann Taylor Loft, and it's a medium. And there's no tags on this. But it's a bright pink, a sheer kind of material. That's pretty. I don't know if I really need that though. I don't work outside the home. Ooh, this is nice. This is a Gap fit, and this is a large, kind of an athletic shirt. Now, this is something I would wear. I like to do biking and hiking. I live by mountains, so this is great with kids, and it looks nice and long. And this does not have tags or anything, but it looks nice. And it smells like it's freshly washed. It smells pretty good. And then this is from Fabletics, and this is a medium. And this looks just like, what is this? A tank top? Yeah, a tank top, but it's really big armholes, so you'd wear like a sports bra under it, and it's bright pink. I don't know. I'd have to try it on. Not too sure about that. Let's see. Not into the big wide armholes. And this is a medium. Not sure the brand here. Just a plain cotton t-shirt. Has a longer back. I like this. This is what I would wear. Then a bright yellow Banana Republic medium. And this is another sheer little blouse. That kind of has a little detail there with side slits. I should be telling you the prices of all this. So, well, nothing is more... My most expensive item is $16.99, and my lowest expensive is $10.99. So basically, everything I have showed you, except for the Gap Active gray shirt, this one is $10.99. Everything else in my box is $16.99. So let's see, this is an Ann Taylor Loft, size medium. Ooh, this is cute. This is like a peplum top. And it's a little bit, let's see, short in the top and long in the back. That's a pretty little black shirt with little, like a peach pink detail. And then I got some jeans. I love me some jeans. American Eagle Outfitters, size 8. Ooh, I wanted these, but I did not put this in my profile. Jegging, super stretch, and it's a size 8. And they're a nice dark wash. The back. They look nice. So they have a skinny leg. You can see they're kind of worn there in the back. So we'll see about those. Ooh, yay! I needed shorts. I honestly only have one pair of denim shorts, and they're a light wash distressed jean short. And so I did. They read my mind because I needed a pair of dark fronts, but they're kind of short looking. So I'm not sure how I feel about these. And they look, we'll see, maybe they'll fit. They're J. Crew. And they actually still have tags on. So brand spanking new. And these are a 30 waist. So I will definitely try those. I see some color. Red. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I love the color red. Okay. And I really wanted some red, like, skinny pants. American Eagle. And these, I'm sure, are probably a size 8. But anyway, they are red. Bright red. And they are a stretchy, slightly stretch. They just look like another jegging. They look pretty nice. Oh my gosh. I am super excited about these. I'm most excited about these. I so hope they fit me. So those are $16.99 too, which I would totally pay. Calvin Klein medium, like a capri yoga pant with a little detail on the bottom. And these are definitely worn. Yeah, they're worn, but they're not bad. We'll see. I have to really love them if I'm going to get these. So, Calvin Klein, and I think these are a medium. Yep. So that's everything I got, and I have to say that I am really happy with everything. I think they listened to what I wrote in my profile, my lifestyle, the things I wear. They didn't send me anything that I'm like, ew, that's horrible. Not at all. So I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm not sure if I'll do a try-on, but I'm really happy with this. So you have 7 days to try these things on, send them back. They give you a return label. You send it back free of charge in the box. Yeah, so I did receive an email from them today saying that they had some kind of deal, like if I buy $75 worth, I think it was retail, $75 worth from this box, that I would get $10 credit. So that was something new and was nice. So I definitely think I will try these on, and I am pretty sure I'm going to order another one. And I might try one of the other catered kind of boxes for the goodie boxes. And I'm interested in trying, they have like a mystery boxes, they have like a fun box, they have like just a mystery, you don't know what you're going to get. So if you're interested in me trying those, please let me know. And they also have rejects, which I'm thinking of getting. So the rejects, again, you'll be surprised by what you get. But yeah, I'm really happy. So I will try to link down in the description where you can check out the goodie boxes and get I think you could get maybe a $10 credit. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried ThredUp, and if you are interested in seeing more from ThredUp. I am a thrift store shopper, so this is totally up my alley. So let me know your opinions, what you've tried, what you like, what you think I should keep, and let me know about the prices, what you think about that. Okay, lovely people, have a great night and subscribe. Cheerio.